Auditioning is fraught. It's a high stakes thing. You're gonna be nervous. I'm always nervous before an audition. I'm always nervous before auditioning. The thing I want you to remember about auditioning is you got in the room. Like, no matter what the outcome, you actually made it in the room. And that says something. That says that I found something within you, either your headshot or your CV, that made me want to hear from you. So within itself, there's an achievement. Sometimes an audition does not go well. It happens. Something's happened in the morning, you've missed breakfast, you've had a fight with your parent or your partner, you've gotten a speeding ticket because you were running late, you were pre-focused, whatever the reason, you've walked into the room and you're not ready. Your two options usually for that is to just go, okay, I'm gonna learn from that, not gonna do that again. Also, there is such a thing as finding out whether there's a callback audition, finding out whether there is another chance to audition, ringing up either the producer, emailing the director and just saying, look, I really bombed that. Can I have another go? And due to time or due to inclination, that will also give you an answer. But I think it's always worth just sometimes going, wow, that really bit. Like, as a director, I'll never feel bad about that actor. I will actually go, there's a level of self-reflection. There's a level of comprehension of themselves to say, I want to do better. Because as a director, I want you to do better as well. Time may be a factor. We may not have any more time for auditions. And that's something that you'll just have to wear. Speaking of wearing, sometimes you just won't get it. There's gonna be parts that you don't get. And I say this with all honesty, both as an auditionee and as a director who auditions, sometimes it's not you. Sometimes it's us. So always take that on board. If you get that rejection, if you get that, look, thank you very, very much for auditioning. Unfortunately, we cannot cast you, we're going a different way. And it may be that in that callback, person X had a bit more chemistry with that person that I was going to cast. There's also other ways that, we try and be impartial, but sometimes we have bad days. Sometimes we go, that's not what I'm looking for. And we sometimes just can't shift it, okay? So if you do get that unfortunately, we're not casting you, take it on board. Think about what could it have been? Did I do something wrong? Or did I just not fit? And then go and see that production. Go and see that play and find out who they did cast, because sometimes you might go, yeah, okay, that's fair enough. They're way better than me. So have that humility, because you need to have that ego as an actor. You need to, like here, stand up and just speak and have that confidence, but you also need to have that humility to go, okay, didn't get that part, when's the next one? And if you get tired of auditioning, make your own. Cast yourself, do your own show. That's what I did for a number of years. Thank you so much for joining me and Channel NT today for this audition masterclass. I hope you got something out of it. I hope you got some ideas, got some tips, got some tricks, and gave you a little bit more insight into what the audition process is and how to better succeed. My name's been Scott Gooding. Thank you very, very much. Thank you everyone to Channel NT, and thank you to the wealth of experience and creativity and vigour that is in Northern Territory at the moment. It really is an exciting time to be here. Thank you.